This is the first in a new series of videos called Is It Worth Anything? These will be items that are in possibly your home or maybe your parents' home that you may or may not understand are actually antiques or collectibles that are worth something. Our first thing today is the Nestle Bunny Spoon. All right, so this was put out by Nestle Quick, probably about the 1980s. It was actually kind of a freebie. You used to save up labels and maybe pay $1 or $2 shipping and handling, and you could get this delivered to you. And of course, it's a nice long spoon for stirring your Nestle Quick into your milk, your flavored milk. Now, there is a second version of this that came later that's not nearly as nice, and that's a pressed spoon, and it's very thin, and it's got some etching and things. So you can tell the difference between the two. So, is it worth anything? Well, if you're lucky enough to find these on eBay, they usually sell for about $45 or $50. So yes, get into your drawer and look around and see. Now, the later version that was pressed, those are worth maybe about $10, $12. So they're not a big deal and they're more readily available. But these, if you can find one, that's a find. If you're interested in finding more about what things in your home could be worth money, get my book, The Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon for $24.95.